Bollywood stars who are expressionless. Sonam Kapoor. Sonam is mostly famous for her dressing and fashion sense, but when it comes to acting, she has no versatility because of having no expression. Arjun Kapoor. This Bollywood actor worked really hard for his physique, but truth is, his acting skill is not very impressive because of his lack of expressions. Ananya Pandey. Chunky Pandey's doting daughter Ananya has done only 2 films, but she uses very less expressions. It seems that she is struggling while throwing dialogues on camera also. Siddharth Malhotra. Cute and charming looking Siddharth has done already many big budget flop films like Marjama. His expressionless acting is not at all accepted by Bollywood audiences. Katrina Kaif. Glam queen Katrina has an unparalleled beauty, but her poor acting is not approved by many audiences. Jacqueline Fernandez. Salman's heroine Jacqueline is famous for her beauty, but has zero expression when she smiles or cries. Nargis Fakhri. Rockstar fame Nargis is now out of Bollywood. She never could prove herself as a good actress because of her expressionless acting. Athiya Shetty. Sunil Shetty's daughter Athiya already did 3 flop films. She has been repeating her same expressions in each frame that is quite boring for audience. Janhvi Kapoor. Upcoming rising star Janhvi has to work a lot on her facial expression while acting. Tara Sutaria. Only 2 films old Tara hasn't proved herself in Bollywood yet. This trained ballet dancer has zero expression doing romantic scenes. Daisy Shah. She started her Bollywood career with Salman Khan's film but lost her career for her unexpressive acting. Nora Fatehi. Sizzling and hot Nora has no acting training, but her dancing skill is marvelous. She really looks dull while throwing dialogues on screen. Sunny Leon. Hottest babe of Bollywood, Sunny is still learning Hindi and can't give proper expressions in films. Shruti Hassan. Shruti Hassan got rejected from Bollywood just because of her stereotypical acting. Her poor dialogue throwing is very prominent in every film. Zareen Khan. Another Salman Khan's glam doll, Zareen got disappeared from Bollywood. She has the minimum expression in films. Karan Singh Grover. Alone starrer actor Karan has simply no expression, whether it is sad scene or any romantic scene. John Abraham. It is fact that John has done many films, but Bollywood can't consider him a versatile actor for his lack of acting skill. Lisa Hayden. Supermodel Lisa has to work on her acting skill because she applies same expression in every frame. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.